Good morning. Good morning. All right. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. All right. YouTube is live or Discord is also live. All right. Market just opened up, folks. Market just opened up. Okay. Apple is pushing lower. Microsoft is bouncing. Tesla bouncing. Chipotle bouncing. MSTR bouncing. Intel bouncing. Lulu bouncing. Okay. All right. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Okay. Market got POC, folks, right there. Where price actions are mixed. Okay. Folks, let's start with the disclaimer. This video audio is for education purpose only. I do not sell any financial advice, nor I recommend to buy or sell any sort of stocks or investment. For your financial advice, please consult with your professional financial advisor before making any financial decision. Also, make sure do your due diligence before you enter into any of your trade. It could be very risky, folks. You could blow up your account. Conditions are slightly bearish right now. Market open up. Alrighty. Be careful. You know, there's a lot of issues on a premium, folks, right now. Look like, be careful, don't press the buy button just in case, because it could be something. Be careful, premiums are messed up, folks. Okay, right now premiums are messed up. Bid and ask spread is outrageous. Nothing is lined up. Be careful, folks. Okay, don't click the buy button, otherwise you're gonna have a trouble. Things are not right. Okay. Market opened up and premiums are something is fishy. Somebody's hot mic, sure, I'll fix it. Okay, done. Be careful, folks. Okay, taking trades, be careful. Things are not lined up. If the bid is 0, you try to sell it, you could be in trouble. Remember, if the bid is 0 and the ask is different, remember that when you buy different, sell you different, right? Be careful. Yeah. All right. So just leave it, folks. Okay. I'm gonna wait for it to any settlement. Look at the bulls are coming here. Premiums are not right, folks. Okay, so be careful. Let the market do the things right now. It's all right. Today is a half day, folks. Okay. Okay. Bitcoin stocks are bouncing. Just a second, okay. We can't do anything, folks, right now. Okay, market is nice and bullish looking. Look at the Chipotle going, Mara going. Let's see, going. And we are looking down. Apple looking down. Market is open, but what can we do with this option, folks? We can't do anything. All right. Okay, be careful, folks. Okay, taking trade, be careful. Just to give you heads up. Okay, be careful taking trades. The spread is not right. So about that sideway condition here. Okay. Well, sideway condition, green red market is doing back and forth, folks. Meantime, folks, don't forget to click the like button, morning like right now. The best option is right now, folks, clicking the like button, not the buy button. Okay, buy button will cost you. Be careful. Option premiums are not aligned, folks. Okay, spread is not aligned, you could be in trouble. So be careful. Do not click the buy button on buying options. Be careful. Okay, if you click the buy button without looking at the Greek, you could be in trouble. So the best choice is just click the like button. If you think you have something to click the like button, not the buy button. Price actions are below VWAP. bounce coming. Market closed today at 1 p.m. folks. Okay, market will close at 1 p.m. Yeah, we can't do anything right now, folks. Okay, just stock, people can trade stocks. Stay away from options, folks. Okay, things are not right. Things are not right. You can't do anything. Market is also moving in a sideway, back and forth, not going too high. Alrighty. Just a second, folks. Okay. Sideway, everything is sideway. I think market is also, market knows that let's put it on sideway. So folks, I noticed people trying to send the Zelle. Some people doesn't allow more than 1,000. Some people doesn't allow 750. Some people do send me 3,000, 2,000, like that is working. Okay, so just to let you know, it depends on it, folks. Okay, it depends on your relationship with me, but it does. I do get 3,000 also in one shot. Okay, so whatever it allows is allows. Okay, you can just try whatever it is. Today is the Black Friday deal ends, folks. Okay, today is the last day for the Black Friday deal. Sideway market is right now. All right, sideway market not doing much, nothing. Okay, let me see. Folks, take a look at the premiums are back normal. Wow, look at these people have jacked up the premium like outrageous, folks. Okay, yep, outrageous. Why? Because today is a half day. All right, premiums are over 100%. Today is a half day, folks. Okay, so Airbnb time you'll be spending today would be a half day until 1 o'clock. That's why premium should not be there. Yeah, that's all right. Bulls are coming now. Bulls are coming now. Here we go. Bullish. Continue squeeze. Nothing running away, folks. Okay, let the market do the things. We'll see. Sideway. VWAP is right there. We are the previous day high area. Okay, folks, market is at the previous day high area. Sideway conditions, still sideway. All right, nothing is running away. Okay, conditions are still sideway bullish. Market trying to bounce now a little bit. Small continue squeeze right now. Squeeze there, little bullish. Still sideway. You can see right here everything is going up and down and sideway. $30K. Okay. All three indexes has POC. Can't do anything on it. Google, look at pointing south, Nvidia pointing south, Amazon also, Tesla also. Man, Intel today bounced some reason. Lulu bouncing too. Lulu going. Look at that. All right, bulls are coming now. We are the resistance. Remember, folks, we always need market to go, break, retest, something like that. If you want to rush, you can rush, it's up to you. But I always prefer to have a comeback and test. Bulls are coming. Every time we go, break, pull back. Look at that. Market wants to go higher. Bulls are coming now. Trying to break through the roof now. All right, market is little pushing up. The bulls are coming now. Market wants to push it up. Bulls are coming. Here we go. All this index is trying to be bullish now. So if you see a nice pullback here, bullish. Look at the volume coming. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Bulls are coming. Condition, MACD, everything lining up now. Ticks are going. IWM is pulling it back. Ticks are pulling it back. All conditions and volumes and MACD, everything is looking bullish, folks. Okay. Continues bullish, sloping support intact. All right. Nice and bullish. Bulls are trying to look at the volume coming to, and then pull back. Ticks are going. Thing is that where you enter, where can you exit? That's the plan. Okay, but right now they're looking bullish. This is the pre-market high. That's why I'm not going. We want to wait, see what happened. Right now they're looking bullish. Everything looking nice and bullish. Okay, everything is bullish. Look at the bulls are firing up with the 4-cylinder. Man, this is crazy bullish. Alrighty. bullish, no pullback, nothing. Market like so much. Still bulls are here, folks, okay? Market is bullish. Condition is so amazing right here, bullish. Pre-market high, market is at the right now. QQQ got POC. Another pullback. I think they want to go and try a little lower. Solid bullish condition. MACD doesn't have much power right now, but the market trying to bounce. This is pre-market high. Look at the MACD doesn't even have the power right now, and market time. Man, this is look at the MACD, no power, in condition that's still bullish. Okay. MACD giving up here, okay. Here we go. I'm giving up. nothing looking here which is bullish or nothing. All right, MACD cross, volume coming bearish. They want to go lower. Lot of bull join here because they think, oh, it's bullish. All right, look like not interesting one here, folks. Okay, market is playing dirty game here. Alrighty, support is there. Conditions are amazing condition, but that can be changed anything. All right, market want to push it lower. They want to break the VWAP, trap all the bulls. IWM and everything pushing lower below the POC. Condition is bullish. Cycle about to change here. All right, folks. I took a loss. I'm out. Let them go. Small. Condition is bullish. I'm not denying, but that's okay. $0.50 loss. The bull cycle about to get changed. That is the only concern I have. I'm thinking that, and we have put flip, that could be in trouble. Condition is amazing bullish. Okay. I want to see the cycle, okay, folks. That's the only one reason. We are shifting the cycle. That's that. Oh wow, squeeze pop now. Now it's good. Bullish. Squeeze pop here right there. Cycle about to change. MACD is still bearish, pushing lower. Condition is bullish. Like I could see 50 cent profit, or 50 cent is not good. And then pull back. And let's see. Morning. MACD bearish, volume bearish. Still pushing volume lower. Condition is slightly giving up. The light under the tunnel coming bearish here. But we are at the VWAP. POC, VWAP, QQQ already giving up. Look at the bulls now. bullish. I exited and now they're bullish. Okay, condition was bullish, that is the reason, but from here to here cycle is 60 cent, 80 cents you can get. MACD doesn't have much power. Look at the bear cycle, little bounce. It will be daunting task to make money. MACD trying to cross. One candle give you 10 to 20 cents. Okay, market trying to bounce. Okay, I'll be not taking trade right now, okay, folks. I don't feel like to, so I will wait. I'll be right back, okay? Just a second. They're creating a bearish diversion at the top, but the squeeze volumes are bullish. The way the premiums are moving, folks, be careful. It will be daunting task to make money. I don't see much hot mic. Hold on, let me fix. Alright. Still bulls are there right at the top. The way the candles are moving, folks, it will be difficult to make money. So the best thing I'm doing is just waiting. Okay, Bulls cannot make money unless holding hope that is gonna go and break this and go to the higher, and then we make $1. Meantime, folks, yesterday we had a 600 people who took the class yesterday, folks. Free gift of knowledge class yesterday. Those who missed the class, folks, or you want to take the class, you can scan this and you can join this group. All right. So today is the last day, folks, okay, to get this free class. Those who wants to learn at least basic, go for it. Every once in a year. If you want to wait for another year, you can wait. Or this is the class, you get free class, okay? So if you want to join, you can join the group, and then the group will be dissolved on Sunday night, okay? So if you want to take this class free, no problem, you can join that and you can take that class. Now, alert room, those who wants to join is right here. We have right now discount once in a year. I give a discount on alert room, which is right here. You can, these are applied to all the education. I highly recommend education, folks. People who say just give me discount. Today is the last day, Black Friday, folks. Okay. So if you want to take the discount, use the discount. This discount normally doesn't apply to alert room, but this once in a year, which is I'm doing right now. So if you want to apply, today is the last day. People are buying 6 months alert room, 5 months alert room, 4 months alert room. You can do that too. But once the Friday over, no discount until another next year. Same thing apply to education right now. Education, I do discount some on and off holidays. But yes, you do get discount. If you want, you can use this discount to apply to all these classes, whatever I teach you. Okay. So you can take a screenshot, use your camera and take a screenshot. Our number is right here. Any question you can ask me. Okay. So basically one class is like technical intraday class is $1,000, right? People have paid $1,000. You get $250 off if you sign up today. Okay. You can, if some, Zelle doesn't allow to send money right away, all this money, then it's okay. You can put it in chunk, but you committed yourself, so you get that discount. Okay. Take a screenshot, and this is also take a screenshot. I'll post it in those group if you wanted to join, if you want to learn. If you're giving to market maker money, then stop giving and educate, folks. Okay. Okay, look at the breakout. Squeeze bullish, volume bullish, market want to go higher. Man, somebody recording stuff and sending it on the group. Man. But yeah, those who want a discount, you can use that. Okay. I'll post the things in the group so you can see if you want it. Alright, look at the squeeze, look at the volume. Market wants to go bullish, 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 bullish. So from here to here, you can get $1 now. So if you bought a call here to here, you get $1 after breakout, okay? But if they reverse, that would have been the problem. All right, nice. They're bullish, nice bullish looking, okay? This is all bullish, folks, okay? Market is bullish, but the way the candle premiums are behaving, it'll be harder to make money, so I don't like to chase now. So for example, around here 10 o'clock, if you whatever the premium you paid out of money, pretty much 40 delta, same premium is here, okay? Even less, just to give you an idea, okay? Because you have a half day, so the premium you paying, you got to divide by the time. That's why got to be careful. Yes, I'm getting payment, folks, so always just send me message. The rest I'll take care of it. Those who are making payment, just send me messages and I'll go through. After market close, I'll take care of everybody. Mostly late night. Today I had to run after 1 o'clock. As soon as the market close, I got to run. I'll be not here. Okay. Today my kids is going back to school. He has a flight to catch. Look at the volumes are here, bullish, bullish, bullish. Nice market bullish, huh? But the problem is, if you go here, what if they take a reversal? That is the reason, and the time they are taking. So I will be not chasing anything here, even though everything looking great. And if the market goes, I miss. Just to let you know, these are the way the premiums are behaving. I'm not chasing. But it's a bullish. Oh, sorry, I didn't post it. Jai Cartoon, stop posting those GIF images, folks. Do not post the stuff, okay? I know it is entertaining. People who post in the group will be removed, so don't do that. Look at those conditions that are making, folks, okay? Stay away from the short, okay? Even though they're trying to be at the top and pulling it back, right? And then keep bouncing, little pullback, bounce, pullback, bounce, pullback, bounce. That's what they've been doing it. But the pullback bounce doesn't give the dollar. That is the reason I said I don't want to go, okay? Unless you hold a little longer. Okay, if they continue going another one step ahead, then you can see at least 80 cents or a dollar. It's bullish, okay? You guys can do if you want to trade, folks, but I do not see in one cycle a dollar. It's a difficult, so I'm not chasing. Second cycle, I would not know what would be. Yeah, I see that, folks, okay? I see a lot of people who sending me money, but just mention your name whenever you text me. Mention the name, because when I get a Zelle info, I see the name, so I need to verify this, because if you think you're not the only one, other people are sending me, so I would not know who sent what. So help me out, mention your name, because to verify, different people are sending. That's why. So help me out. Those who are sending, always mention your name when you text me. George, that I made a payment, but mention your name. Thank you. Okay. I'll post it in the group. Look at the squeeze. Lot of people have signed up for almost 6 months of alert room, folks. Okay, I really appreciate. Having trust is most important part. Okay, I really appreciate. All right, still bullish conditions is slow. Look at that, higher high, market keep doing higher low, higher high, small cycle going up and up and up. The way the premiums are also moving, you can see, you can try one contract, you will exactly know what the market is doing, or you can watch the premium chart and timestamp, because the time is important. It's not just looking at the price. You got to understand, folks. That's why I say option class is the most important class, right? Learn things what I teach you, because everyday market doesn't do the same thing. You got to master everything. You got to master everything this market maker play. People think it's just normal. It's just the $5 and $4. It's not $5, $4 premium. It's about understanding this behavior, aligning with the candles and the cycles. This Bermuda Triangle I teach, learn, folks, learn. Otherwise, the whole life will cost you $100,000, $200,000, $500,000, $1 million. That's what people tell me, right? So you need to learn, and then if things are not right, don't go. That's it. That's how things are. So yesterday class is a free class, right? That class is also, I give you a lot of golden nuggets. Apply. People who are telling me, just now sending a message, Josh, I've been with your alert room almost over 2 years. They want to sign up now again for six months in advance. There's a reason, right? So think what I teach you, keep it in mind, and don't rush. Problem is the rush. Everybody wants to become overnight rich. That is the problem. They're thinking of a result. If you have bought the call here and you are here, still price is lower. Your premium is still lower than here. Just do the math. Okay, so understand what these people are playing the game. Just a second. Look at the breaking out market. Look at the bullish. More look at that. Bullish, huh, folks? This is nice and bullish. I don't see any weakness, and I don't see the people who are holding the trade. Absolutely great. But you make a buck. I'm just waiting for let this whole drama finish, and then I will say, okay. So I'm not rushing, but it's bullish, okay. I don't see any weakness here. Yes, but avoid chasing at the top. That is the advice. Don't chase at the top. Look at the bulls. Nice. Look at the squeeze volume going. Bullish, bullish, bullish. They are going. Look at Intel is going to the moon, folks. Okay, Intel might sign up a deal with Apple. That's why Intel is going. slowly moving, huh? Folks, market is going slowly. I'll be not taking trades. I'll wait. But it's looking nice and bullish. Intel is flying high. Look at this, you can see right here, setup it. Continuous squeeze, volume bullish. Look at this market. Some point of time it will fly also, but hey, that's the anticipation, but market is bullish looking. Look at the market is doing here divergence since here, okay, but bullish. It was squeeze, MACD giving up, but it says several times here MACD give up, and then reverse and bounce because of the conditions, okay? Okay, look at the squeeze here. Bullish, conditions are bullish. Conditions are bullish. Man, I hear where people they good job people leave and say I'm doing full-time trading. It's kind of a little risky, folks. Okay, make sure everything is lined up before you leave the job. Okay, people who quit the job, you have a good job. I cannot mention the person name, but person said I worked for Tesla for 12 years and he said he left the job. Now he's doing full-time trading. I hope testing the water is important, folks. I would never recommend anybody to leave the job and join trading right away. Test the water. Here we go, QQQ pulling it back. Another pullback coming. Alrighty. Right here, just support here, squeeze bullish, MACD trying to be a little pulling it back, but it's okay. Alright, MACD bearish, squeeze continuation. Conditions are right there. Little pullback coming. Alright, market at the 683 and now pulling it back. So you can see how the market is going back and forth, back and forth. Wow, look at the pullback coming for. Look at the MACD here turning super duper bearish, right? You can see right there, but there's a squeeze here, okay? And this is, but in this condition, I cannot go on short, okay? But they are right now low volume coming, light under the tunnel coming bearish. Let's see what the market gonna do. This is your the MACD light under the tunnel started. They want to push it a little lower. Market want to go a little lower. How far? VWAP is there. Keep going. Ticks are negative, filling up the gas. Okay, filling up the gas. All right, give a couple of minutes, okay? Nothing running away. It look like going, but it's okay. VWAP is here. Nothing running away right away. Okay, just chillax. Still MACD bearish. Test in the cloud. It's a support zone. Make a green red couple of minutes and then we'll see. I was thinking to do a building the wealth class, folks. Okay, I was thinking to do building the wealth class before year end. Remember, we do 4 different tracks. 4 different tracks. Okay, look at that. That's why I said don't need to change right now. MACD bearish, volume still there, squeeze giving up, condition there. I see a lot of opportunity coming. There we go. VWAP is there, POC is there, QQQ going. You can see nothing running away. $9:30, now 11:30. 2 hours they went up, right? Now imagine, folks, 2 hours they wouldn't mind coming little halfway to burn these people. That is the reason. I don't want bulls are there, conditions are still there, but we are at the VWAP. Let's see. Okay. Nothing is running away, folks. They are looking bearish right now. Okay, look at the giving up. Okay, bulls are trying to give up now. Bearish, QQQ bearish too. Alrighty. Everything turned bearish. Okay, everything turned bearish. Alright. We need cycle to bounce and stuff like that. Okay, but if they don't bounce, we miss the trade. That's okay. But right now, bears are getting excited. Bulls are giving up. Okay, bulls are giving up. We are at the VWAP, look like bearish, and then they'll bounce. All right, MACD horrible looking bearish here, but we are at the support here, strong support here too. Expect the bounce. QQQ POC, IWM POC. Look at the bears here. Bouncing from the VWAP. A lot of bear has profit, so they wouldn't mind little lifting. What did I do? Support is here. This is the strong support here, folks. Okay, don't expect much. Still bears are there. Something here from here to here is nice. From here, okay, not much because of the demand zone here, strong demand zone. Conditions are bearish. Okay. Market bouncing from VWAP. Market in a bear territory. Conditions are bearish. But look at the bulls here. Because of these bears. Yep, they want to. The ticks are going, filling up the gas. Wow. Interesting. Yeah, man, this is a trap. They just fill up the gas to go higher. Pull back to fill up the gas. Yeah, no good. Still bears are here though. But hey, all three indexes is bouncing. So much bullish. Look at the IWM is already bouncing. Nobody could expect. Look at the bear territory and they're bouncing back crazy. I thought that this will go to POC. Yeah, man, this is a trap, bear trap, folks. Okay, bear trap. Okay, I think it's a bear trap. Look at here all the bears are here too still. Condition bearish too, everything, but they just want a little bounce. They are flipping this resistance here. Maybe they head and shoulder pattern here. Okay. Still bullish. Look at the MACD here, trying to push it up. This bear cycle about to get over or what? Wow, look at the MACD still. And this is the bear cycle. We have this. Wow. Okay, bulls are man trying right now. And we have a bull cycle coming up. Bull cycle coming, folks. Okay. Yes. All right, get out of it. Second trade, loss. $1.40 loss I took. So $6,000 loss. Crazy, man. This market is. Look at that. Can you believe it? They take all the way down here, no diversion, nothing, and simply took it up. Everything was bearish. All right, we are depending on now second cycle or something market will do. We'll see. Okay. Today cycles are smaller. Already. Look at that. See, remember this bear cycle and they bounce, and now says they're gonna change the cycle and this bullish here. Okay, that is the reason, but we are at the top here, but they are bullish. All the bear were here, they got a little trap. They are bullish. Sideway. Eventually they're gonna go here, most likely, if they would do it, because there's a bunch of bull here, right? And then now what time left? About 1 hour 15 minutes left for the market to close, right? 1 hour 15 minutes. So what they will do, come around here, bunch of bulls, but process. That's the thesis, could be wrong. I will see. Creating a cycle for a few minutes here above VWAP, and then they will do. POC right there. See that? No man, it's you can't make money unless you play reverse psychology, huh? Now again, look at the condition: green, red, right, sideway, folks. Wow. Sloping support. Look at the volume here, bullish, and we are at the resistance, rejection, rejection, rejection. Right? Market is playing game, but they are. Look at the MACD. Look at the conditions. Look at the squeeze here, bullish condition, bullish. We are at the top. All right. Well, it's pretty much bulls are here. I wanted to go long, but I wanted to go here if they bounce and pull back here and then bounce. But this, it's okay. Look at the bullish here. Conditions are bullish. Market trying to go up. Folks, squeeze is bullish. Okay, squeeze is bullish. Condition bullish. Everything is bullish. Look at that, market want to break out, look, squeeze coming, volume coming, condition want to go. Time is 11:53. They want to have a little breakout coming, folks. Okay, bullish and POC involved here. Okay, POC is involved at the top, so be careful on the short side. Maybe they might not even come here, you never know. But right now, if they want to trap, they could trap here too. If they want to break out, we don't know the POC plan is. Okay, we'll see. Time is now 1 hour left for market to close, right? So they could be doing some dirty game. I took 2 trades. Both trades are negative, and it's just the way the things are doing. So I'll wait. Nothing is running away. Market is at the top, and I would not short because still squeeze bullish, everything bullish. Let's not start, folks, anything here. Okay, we are all the way at the top, still at the resistance area. Several rejection, and we have the POC. Maybe POC is not allowing to dump, probably. Why POC popped? We don't know. POC right there at the top. Okay, that means they don't want to go lower, folks. Okay. All right, look at the POC. Look like they do not want to go lower. That is the reason they are doing right now. We'll see. POC involved, folks. Okay, we'll see. Look at the rejection coming in, but POC involved, folks. Okay, look at that. POC is pulling a little back, making you little bearish. Look like POC rejection. QQQQ also giving rejection. Ticks are going lower. I like, folks. Okay, this is bearish looking here. Squeeze is there, about to give up. This cycle about to change. Condition is bullish. Previous rejection is here. Okay, this condition is bullish. Condition is still squeeze there. That's why market lifting and POC making a bullish bearish, controlling the market. Got a squeeze here. POC involved, conditions are still bullish. Whenever POC is there, folks, is sometimes it look like bearish and then bullish, then bullish and then bearish. Right? It's because the condition still there. Look at the squeeze there too. You never know. Their goal is to lift it up and break the HOD. Because of today is a bull Thanksgiving weekend. People who sending money, folks, always mention with the screenshot your name on it. Okay, always type your name. I might not be able to respond you back today, folks, because I had to run around today a lot, but I will definitely take care of it over the weekend. Okay, just take a screenshot, put your name, and then as I get time, night time, I'll take care of it. But I'll be not at home, folks. That's why just do the things what you have to do. Take a screenshot and put your name and tell, and then I'll take care of it. Reason for paying, whichever class you're buying, alert room, whatever you're doing, just mention. Okay, the rest I'll take care of it. Look at the POC. Look at the squeeze, folks. Okay, they say they want to go higher. Go the bullish breakout coming. Okay, will look like to me, but there's no volume here, and my POC says no. We don't want to go lower. All right, they want to have bullish breakout coming or something. Let's see. You never know. Anything could happen. Time is 12:07. 45 minutes to go, and all these bulls are getting excited here. And they could have bullish breakout and then trap or what, nobody knows. Okay, but bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. And look at the breakout. These people want to go. POC involved here. Q. Look at the IWM. Look, see the IWM is here. What they are doing. Q lifting it up. Market is going up and down, up and down. But look at the squeeze here. Bullish. bearish, bullish, everything is at the top. If you look at the rebalancing things, they come down here best, but I don't know, we'll see. Look at the breakout, bullish breakout come in. The way the candles are behaving, difficult to make money, right? So it's okay. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Market creating a bearish diversion at the top roof area. You never know whatever they will do, folks. Nobody knows. We're waiting for it, something interesting to happen. If they do it, ticks are super negative. We are at the POC and they are pulling it back. IWM is already started bleeding. Ticks are going, but the squeeze bullish, conditions are bullish. I cannot go on short in this condition, man. No way. POC has all the power, okay? Just to give you heads up. POC got all the things. You can see right here, no money. No man. Still bulls are there because of POC, but you can't make much money because of green dead right at the top. IWM is giving up below the VWAP. QQQ bullish. You can only make money when all three indexes are in your favorable positions, okay? Otherwise just leave it alone. There's another day, another cycle. Will it see 12.15, 12.16? MACD giving up, squeeze there. IWM is going. Alright, MACD looking bearish here. Condition is bullish. POC is holding the price. That's why POC popped there or what? Okay, here look at the MACD. Bears are lining up. Bears are coming. Look like here. And POC there. Look at these teeny mini bounce they could have, and then bullish bearish. Be careful shorting because of the condition and POC involved, okay? Q. And then how can we even short this condition, because folks, risk level is there. Okay, even though they look like bearish, MACD nice looking bearish, light under the tunnel coming bearish too, look like want to roll down, but man, this previous condition is bullish. You follow? So risk level there. 1 second. Sorry folks, right there, market is trying to push it lower, support is there, bulls are giving up right there, and whenever we try to chase, that's where normally happens a problem. Okay, today it happens. So conditions are now giving MACD. Wow, look at the MACD, folks. Okay, and now his support is here, folks. Okay, if I go look at this MACD, I tell you, man, it's looking nice, bearish to go, but condition giving up too. Bears are coming. Okay, bears are coming. Squeeze there, but POC might be playing something teeny mini cycle. Okay, one thing for sure, there is a resistance here. Okay, so market finding the bounce. Look at the squeeze, little POC here. If they could bounce, rejection somewhere. I mean, they'll be doing small folks. Okay, like here, the conditions not the best setup. Okay, it's up to you. Not the best, but it's okay. Here we go. MACD bearish, squeeze coming. Bears are trying now. VWAP is right there, pulling it back, everything turning bearish. Support is right here. Bunch of bear coming and then bounce. Okay. Right now, bulls are trying to give up here. Support is here. They want to push it lower. Look at the MACD here. Look at the squeeze volume. Everything looking nice, bearish. But how much you make? Look at the premium. See what you make, right? Cannot make. And look at the MACD. Bears are coming now. Things are table turning now. Bears are coming. Bulls are giving up. You need to stay in the trade to make money. Support is VWAP is right there. Green, red, green, red, green, red. Bulls are giving up. Conditions okay. MACD the best. Going 1230 here. Little teeny mini break, the pullback, nothing. Look at this, how this IWM is also behaving, QQQ behaving. Little down, little up, little down, little up, down. That's what they've been doing. So this is down, now little up and burn the premium. Okay, that's what they'll be doing. So I'm not chasing anything. There's always another day. See how these people reverse. Bounce bullish. Condition giving up here, but it's bullish because of POC. QQQ HOD. Necked in a bear territory, bulls are giving up, so now be careful on a long side. Here we go. Similar thing they did here, now they're doing it here, even the bulls are giving up. I'd be very careful on a long side, folks. Okay, now look like, because the bulls gave up. That's the only one reason I'm thinking. Look at two green, two red, green, two red, green. Squeeze bearish here. Conditions are, it's bearish, but look at the volume here too. Bears are coming. Bearish, bearish, bearish. It look like bearish now. Support there previously. This is a good shot here, actually, from here to here. You can get $1. Shorting here at the bottom, no good. Why? Because you could bounce. We have the so many areas could bounce, right? So it's okay. Look at the mountain valley here, everywhere. Bulls are giving up. Squeeze bearish. Market pushing lower. Look at the squeeze coming, volume coming now. Okay, market says I want to go lower. Support bring, VWAP flipping. Bearish, bearish, bearish. All right, VWAP is flipping, folks. Okay, market trying to flip the VWAP. Small, trying to buy a put. Remember, when you chase, monies are less, folks. Okay, when we chase, monies are less. Because we are the viewer, what if they could bounce? This is the third trade, could be no good. Okay, just to give you, but you have to take a chance. Market closing, support is here, so I'm taking some chance here. Look at the MACD squeeze there, VWAP is there, and then bounce coming. They have unlimited time left. This is where I'm thinking. All the bulls, thumbs up bull here. At least they could come here halfway. If they don't come, then no good, because of this, the way it is. 30 minutes left. Look at the squeeze, bearish too still. Conditions are bearish, squeeze bearish, MACD bearish. I can see this trade would be a red too. Look at MACD bearish, squeeze bearish, and we are at the VWAP. They're gonna break the VWAP, come around here and bounce. So that is what I'm expecting. Not too much, only strong one red candle I need. It's very difficult, they are doing it. To make $1 is so daunting task. Okay, here we go. Volume there, VWAP is there. Going. No power, man. I'm telling you, no power. Look at everything, squeeze bearish, volume bearish, condition bearish, but we are at the VWAP, right? Previous support. They're gonna flip it and then rebounds. That's what I'm thinking they could do. I don't think that we can even get a $1 if that happens. Support right there, ticks are there. Ticks are going. Bounce coming. See that? Same thing what they did here. Now they're doing it here. Squeeze pop. MACD curling up. Alright, here we go. I told you that this could be a disaster also, this trade, but it's a small one I traded. POC is flipping now. Trying to get a small, but I was part of the trap. I knew that is gonna happen. Alright, folks. Condition bearish, squeeze bearish, everything bearish, right? Who would expect the bounce? Exactly. Alright, so take a look. Squeeze bearish still, condition bearish still. Three losses. Yep. I'm still holding this 2 loss, third one I'm still holding, but this the way things are here is not the great one. Ticks are filling up the gas. We up right there. Keep pushing lower. Ticks are bouncing. Keep going. Man, MACD trying to curling up. MACD curling up, squeeze there. Q. MACD already trying to bounce here. Squeeze bearish. Condition is bearish too. Look at that, how many times? It's been 10 minutes here. That dedicate 10 minutes. Right there, boom, 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 boom. All right, trying to get out of it. Push it a little lower. So difficult to get out of it also. squeeze bearish. I had a 50 cent 40 cents profit, but I didn't book. I'm still holding. It's okay, man. Worst come to worst, what? Still squeeze there. Condition is bearish. I'm thinking still one more red candle need, but by the time there is always green candle comes next to it. So it's no money, man. No money. Expecting one little red candle because of the condition. Okay, otherwise I would have sold it, and I think this trade could go. Here we go, right there. Here we go. Still no money much. Couldn't get out of it for a few cents. Yep, MACD trying to crawling up now in a bear conditions. Green, red, green, red, green, red, squeeze bearish. So difficult today to make anything. Expect the bounce, man, okay? And these people will trap all these bear, okay? That is possibilities are there. Alright, I'm gonna get out of it because 1242 they already broke the VWAP. I could not get out of it. I was expecting a little more, and now the time is only 15 minutes left. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Look at the volume coming. Squeeze right there. Squeeze is the only one holding, but market is nothing, man. Come on, come on, come on. $8.50. Finally. MACD little bearish coming. Finally pushing lower to the look at the MACD condition is horrible, bearish looking. Okay, I'm out, folks. Okay, a buck. $1,800 profit. Okay, still squeeze bearish, but still volume bearish. But look at the red, green, red, green, red, green. Okay. Market closing in 12 more minutes. We'll see. Still bears are here. It's nothing, folks. Look at this. It's been 20 minutes here from we webbed up and now we web down. The premium accordingly moves around. Okay. And same thing happening here too in the morning. But mornings, if you look at the laps, bigger, but the premiums are not. And over here is tight, so they don't move much. All these bears and they come back to here. Just leave it alone. Leave it alone. That's it, folks. This is not easy to make money. When market moves, that's the best time. Here is nothing. You just look at this titty mini. We are trading those pathetic. I was taking trade here. Can you imagine? Should be not trading. Look at that. See, bounce, beautiful, right? People expect to be like that and trapped everybody, but nobody know they'll do that. Look at that crazy bullish at the top. 50 minutes to go. That happened because of BOC QQQ. Look at the MACD here, light on the tunnel coming bullish. Bull just says I want to go higher, and we are at the POC. It's right there, so leave it alone. If you want to chase, you can chase. Same thing here. Look at that, chasing down. 20 minute here, and now they are burning all these bear. That's why they are bouncing. Okay. All these bear going through the banana. Look at the bulls are right now crazy for the POC. Time is 12:53. They're going. And the IWM is bottom. I'm just waiting for another day. $12.54. I have 5 more minutes to go. MACD bullish, volume bullish. Keep going. IWM is also firing up. Bullish. Okay, bullish. Okay, MACD bullish, volume bullish. We are at the top. Market says I want to fly. POC there too. Thanksgiving. It is POC involved. Ticks are there. I don't want to do nothing. It's okay. Feeling FOMO, but it's all right. Three more minutes to go, folks. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Look at all three indexes bouncing. You see, when these things are like that, it's great because they are great. Three indexes. That's the power. Market is lifting it up. Look at the bulls here. Finally breaking out in last minute. Breaking out in a last minute. They trapped the bear. Look at the monies are here, but we had a resistance here, so I thought I'm gonna wait because I did not expect they could do like this in last 1-2 minutes. But there, look at that. Wow. Market is powerful, man. Look at this MACD here, bullish, bullish, bullish. Look at IWM and QQQ, all are flying. All right, closing in 2 minutes. Ticks are pulling back. Markets want to go higher. Look at the QQQ and IWM. Ticks are going lower. Market QQQ tree still bouncing. Ticks are, look at this big. Market closing in 1 more minute, folks. Okay. Here we go. Big red candle coming. Market is super negative. Ticks. Look at the QQQ going. Okay, call it a day, folks. Market close. All right. All right. Before I go, folks, there are a few questions I'll answer. All right. So people who are, I already created the December alert room. This is November. December alert room I created. I will post the link in the, just send me message those who I owe any more days, okay, and you will be inside. Okay, I will take care of you over the weekend. Just give me time. I'll be busy today, but I'll take care of that. Those who are taking the class, folks, right, or those who want to join alert room, today is the last day, folks. Okay, those who want to take that alert discount, you can do it. Today is the last day, folks. Okay, as long as you can start your process. So for example, Josh, I cannot send 4,000 3,000 now, but can I send you 500 now because of my Zelle limit? Yeah, that's fine. As long as you already paid and you can put it in chunks, then it's fine. I understand that restriction because of Zelle. Some people have that. Okay, so that's fine. Other than that, but I would highly recommend folks taking education class. All right, so I'll post this thing in the main group also, so you will have that. All right, that is, and then if anybody asks, you would have it in the main group. Okay, same thing applies to, this is the last discount for alert room, folks, those who want to join the alert room. Right, today is the last, then you can wait for next year. All right, I posted in the main group, so you will have that. All right, any other questions, let me know. No birthday today, folks. Okay, I got to run around things. Okay, so you can take a screenshot. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this, and we'll see you tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. I'll post the market update video on Sunday, and see you on Monday. Okay, everybody. Thank you, guys. Thank you, folks, being here. See you.